In this video, I will guide you through how to create or join a private server in Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's create a private server. Open Roblox and search for Grow a Garden. Here, click on this first game. Scroll down and tap on the server option. Here, as you can see, you can create a private server for free. To create your server, tap on this option. Now enter your server name. Now tap on Buy Now. Don't worry, it's free. Here, as you can see, your private server has been created. Now you can play this game in this private server. You can also customize the settings of your private server. Like, you can turn on or off the joining option. If you turn on the connection allowed option, all of your friends can join your game. Turn on this option if you want them to join your private server. If you want to join other server, you can join them from here. But remember that the owner of the server can remove you if he or she wants. So that's how you can create or join a private server in Roblox. If this video helped you, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.